This is an instruction video on how to repair the Lucas 88SA lighting and ignition switch socket, which is found on Triumph, BSA, Norton, and other British bikes and automobiles made from the mid-1950s to the mid-60s. There are many instances in which a wire can become broken from these sockets, and the solution is usually given as buying a new socket in excess of $45. Conversely, custom wiring may be desired. In any case, the terminal must be removed from the socket. I inquired and was unable to find any information on a tool that was available for removal of the terminals, which are held by a retainer barb. Since I had no real idea of how the piece was held, I tried several ways to remove the piece, some more successful than others. After I had removed one with a lockpick, I designed a tool to do the removal much more easily. I made this from a hacksaw blade. The only dimension that is important is the 60,000ths of an inch width of the tool. A slight bevel at the end makes insertion easier. You can easily make one using a Dremel cutoff disc. The blade is inserted into an access from the side of the socket opposite the wires. If there is still a wire attached, just pull the wire out after the barb is released. If the wire has been broken off, the terminal may be pulled using a hemostat or needle nose pliers. Straighten the strain relief for the next step. Originally, the wire was welded to the clip, and this needs to be cut out to provide space for a replacement wire. I use a Dremel with a small cutting burr to accomplish that. The new wire and the clip must be soldered together. Tin the wire and the clip before final soldering. Solder the two pieces together and tighten the strain relief around the insulation. Check that the locking barb is slightly proud of the terminal. Insert the terminal into the slightly triangular hole until the barb clicks into place. This concludes the tutorial on repair or modification of the Lucas 88SA socket. Should you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below.